This is my, what you might call it, real cucumbers growing. They're just beginning to be fertilized now. And there you can see what they're like. They're not very thick at the moment, but I would say they're a good 10-15 centimeters long. But what I've found interesting is that I've seen this happen with tomatoes, but this is the first time that I've seen it with cucumbers. I don't know if you can see this, but along the edge of the leaves, they're all wet. I could get it in the sunlight, you might be able to see it better there. It's got a name for it. I think it's transpiring, it's called. But all these leaves here are just wet all around the edges. It's a strange phenomenon. I've seen it on tomatoes before. This is the first time I've observed it on cucumbers. Just the edges there of the leaves are all just sort of shining with water. You see that? Or is it? There we go. I'll have to look up and see what it's called. I think it's called transpiring. I don't know why they do it. Just losing water from the edges of the leaves. So these are my open air gherkins growing outside. And as you can see, I'm getting quite a lot of them to harvest at the moment. But especially over here. Look at the size of that one there. All along here. This one at the end is, even though it's very small, it's been very productive. There's one there and but two behind. There we go to get in here to look. There they are. Two more. In there. There they are. So, from small plants, they're all growing up these sticks. You can get lots of gherkins for them. Great in salads. And they're just producing more and more flowers all the time. See down in there. So, Avomacurco they're called, open air gherkins, or open ground gherkins. I don't know how you would translate it. That's